Looking for a mixing bowl that can keep up with every recipe you throw at it? The EuroWare 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl promises just that. Measuring 10 inches wide and standing 4.75 inches tall, this bowl weighs less than a pound but delivers heavyweight performance. If you're tired of bowls that absorb odors, chip, or stain, this stainless steel option could be the upgrade your kitchen needs. I switched to the EuroWare stainless steel bowl after dealing with ceramic ones that held onto smells and chipped after a few uses. What really stands out is how this bowl doesn't absorb oils or odors from previous dishes, keeping your flavors pure every time. It's polished to a sleek finish, lightweight, and dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup effortless. Whether you're whipping cream, mixing a fresh salad, or melting chocolate, this bowl handles it all with ease. Plus, it's made by EuroWare, a brand known for quality kitchen essentials, and carries their seal of approval, giving you confidence in your purchase. What really sold me was the versatility. I use it not just for mixing but also for marinating meats and even chilling vegetables in an ice bath. It's become my go-to bowl for everything from sauces to whipped eggs. The fact that it's available in 3 sizes means you can find the perfect fit for your cooking style. And if you're like me and hate running out of bowls mid-prep, grabbing a set of these is definitely worth considering. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen tools with a bowl that's durable, odor-resistant, and easy to clean, the EuroWare 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl is worth a look. It's designed to make your cooking smoother and more enjoyable. Try it when you're ready to experience the difference a quality mixing bowl can make.